Hi everybody, this is another Bowtie Teacher video, and in this video I'll be going through the Year 7 February Algebra test so you can see where you make mistakes and what you have to do to improve. So for question 1, we're looking at 3a times 7a, that's going to be 21a squared. For question B, we're doing 10x minus 2 minus 6x and then plus 9. So 10x take away 6x is 4x, and minus 2 plus 9 is plus 7. For part C, we can add the 3 and the 7 to get 10, and the 4c plus the 12c to get you 16c. The next question, 4x minus 12 plus 2x plus 2, because we're doing 2 times 1 here, and that gives us 6x. Minus 12 plus 2 is negative 10. Part E, we can only add the f squareds to give you 11f squared, and then minus 2f. And then finally, 3t minus t is just 2t. For part 2, we need a perimeter for each of these shapes, so we're just going to add all of these together. And we got 2a plus a plus 2a plus 4a, that's 9a. And in this question here, we've got another a plus 1 here and a b plus 3. So when we add all of these together, we've got 2a plus 2b plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 is plus 8. If the perimeter of both shapes was 36, find the value of a and b. So for the first shape, we've got 9a. That's going to be equal to 36 centimeters. So we can divide both sides by 9 to get a equals 4. And then what we can do is we can use that a equals 4 in the second equation, because we've got 2 lots of a, so 2 lots of 4, plus 2b plus 8 equals 36. So 8 plus 2b plus 8 equals 36. So 8 plus 8 is 16. So 2b plus 16 equals 36. I'm going to subtract 16 from both sides to get 2b equals 36. Take away 16 is 20. So divide both sides by 2 and I get b equals 10. Question 4. Multiply out the brackets, so get 4 times 3 plus 4 times p. And then a times a squared is a cubed plus 6 lots of a. Substituting into this formula, we've got p equals 2 lots of w, 2 lots of 3 plus 4 lots of z. So 6 plus 20 is 26. Question 6, we've got 3 lots of a plus negative 6 divided by 4. So 2 plus negative 6 is 2 minus 6, which is negative 4. And I'm doing 3 lots of negative 4 divided by 4. That's going to be minus 12 over 4 is minus 3. Solve these equations. So we're going to subtract 6 from both sides. And I get 4x equals 12. So x equals 12 divided by 4. Question B, we've got 3 times x minus 3 times 4 is 12 equals 15. So 3x equals 15 plus 12. That's 27. So x equals 27 divided by 3. That's 9. Part C, I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. So 5x, take away 2x. And then I'm going to add 6 to both sides to get rid of the minus 6 here. So I get 3x equals 3. So x equals 1. Part D, 5x plus 5 lots of 2 is 10, plus 6 lots of x, and then plus 6 times negative 1 is minus 6 equals 48. 5x plus 6x is 11x, plus 10 minus 6 is minus plus 4 equals 48. Subtract 4 from both sides, I get 44. So divide both sides by 11 and I get x equals 4. We have a rectangle, so we're going to do the same thing for this. We're going to add all of the sides together. So 4x plus 4x plus 2x plus 2x is 12x. And 6 plus 6 minus 5 is plus 2. And that equals 50. We're going to subtract 2 from both sides to get 12x equals 48. And divide by 12 to get x equals 4. To factorize this, we're going to take a 3 out, so I get 3 brackets 2x plus 3. For the next one, we're going to take out the 2ab, and then I'm going to multiply that by 3a minus 1. Expand the brackets, so x times x is x squared, minus 4x, plus 5x, and then 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. So that leaves us with x squared plus x minus 20. Part B, x squared plus 7x minus 7x, and then plus 7 times minus 7 is minus 49. So these two will disappear because it's 7x minus 7x, and that gives us 0. So x squared minus 49. And the final question, 2x minus 1 squared, means I'm going to do 2x minus 1 multiplied by itself. So 2x times 2x is 4x squared, minus 2x, and then minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1. So I left with 4x squared minus 4x plus 1.